common issues. I think my camera can catch it, but that is original. You can see it's original 2001, and this is 2023. It's basically not too much drive, and it's a neat and clean car. I'm just making a video as well to make sure everything is come back whenever I'm fixing it and what I have to do. So these two are adjustments for in or out. These are bad, so that's why it's was go camber, and if it's go on toe side, that will work. I mean, that's for towing, to make its tire straight like this. So sometimes tire is like this and goes like this. So that's good. On BMW they have a toe adjustment. Some of the cars they don't have it, they have a fixed one. So that's a good one. So I can see they have numbness over here, but it's not big leak anything. So rest of the things look good. Axle boots are look good. This wire going rubbing on the top somewhere and it's making a little bit noise. Okay, so that's what I'm doing it today. So I'll start removing this balance rod, and if I can see this, I can find it somewhere over here, the new one. So this time I'll change it, but I don't know, let's see. And somehow this frame looks like it's in too much. I'm not sure why it's looked like this. Yeah, it's look like this is not too much in, but this one a little bit more in somehow if I go for like this, but I'll measure it after once I open it. I'm not going on too much details, but definitely have to remove calipers, everything, to just make it. Oh, one more thing, they call ball joint over here, which is, I can make, this is somewhere over here. That's, yeah, this one. That's a ball joint. It's in the knuckle. So basically this is bushing, but it is moved like left and right. So that's called ball joint from BMW. So if someone told you on the rear ball joint, that is what he means. So that's it. Thank you for watching. This is Sharo from Auto Services Provider. Please share, subscribe my channel. It will be really helpful for me. I need a sharing, and thank you. A wonderful day.